This is the SOULION R50 Bluetooth or 3.5mm jack speaker. Has RGB rainbow light effects on both sides, and yes, the effects are either cycle around by itself or according to the music. We'll see that in a second. It is USB powered and it has stereo surround sound. You can, of course, connect it to PC, PlayStation, laptops, tablet, mobile phones. We'll test it with a mobile phone today. And as always, thank you to SOULION for sending this over. I did not pay for it with my own money. This package was sent to me, so let's get into unboxing. Okay, and the box should open from one of the sides for sure. Yep, we have some foam, nicely packaged by the way, and protected. Okay, let's put it out of the plastic bag. Oh, it actually looks more premium than I anticipated. Has this kind of mesh fabric on the front. I'm not sure if I can show in camera that good. And SOULION right there. On the side, there is nothing except for the RGB light. Yep, this white stuff is the RGB lights. And the RGB lights continue in the other side as well, all around. This is the dial or knob for the volume. I really appreciate that. I like the volume knobs. This is where it turned on, or you switch the modes from Bluetooth to 3.5mm jack. And this is your light button that you click it to cycle through the lights. And the lights are just regular rainbow cycle according to music cycle, and you can turn them off as well. So just like that. And on here, the cable is not detachable. It is permanently on the speaker. So from here, you have the USB for power. It's a regular USB-A, 5V 1A. And you have the 3.5mm standard jack input. And besides that, it is very nice built. I like that. Doesn't feel cheap by any means. So it does not feel like a gas station speaker at all. And let me grab a power bank really quick, and we'll connect it through a power bank instead of putting it on the wall, just to prove our point that, yeah, it actually works with a power bank. 1, 2. Okay, so we have just a normal self-made power bank, and we're gonna plug in the USB itself. And, well, before I do any of that, we are going to have a microphone recording all this stuff on the side here. So we have an independent sound picking method here besides the microphone that I'm talking to, because it's quite far, plus it has no active noise cancellation. But this one, the Rode microphone, as you see right there, does not have active noise cancellation or wind removal and all that good stuff. So it will be quite fair. I'm gonna leave it just here, should be fine. And now we're gonna plug it in really quick. Aux mode. Not sure if you heard that. It is connected. So we can switch the mode from auxiliary to Bluetooth. We're going to test it on Bluetooth first. And we're going to test it just with this Google Pixel. Let me connect the Bluetooth really quick, turn it on, and we're going to switch to Bluetooth. Bluetooth mode. Device paired and connected. Yep, because I pre-connected a second ago. And right now, it is connected to R50. And I'm going to play a song of mine. So just for when this video goes to Amazon, just to anybody that's moderating this video, know that this song is actually mine. It has not been launched anywhere else. So there's no copywriting issues on this one at all. And we're going to play this because otherwise, what way do I have to test the speaker? But I'll play my own song here and see how it sounds. Let's start the volume from 0 here, and we'll go up like such. It's actually pretty good. Whoa. It has some bass. I can actually feel like a vibration nearby here. You can feel the table vibrating.
Oh, sweet eclipse, but shadows dance behind your eyes. Each promise just a thin disguise.
It has a lot of depth, I gotta say. The depth on this one is absolutely beautiful, especially for the price of this speaker. I'm blown away. It actually almost doesn't make sense, but before we go anywhere else with the music or the sound of it, well, let's do the other light thingy that we told you a second ago. This is on that rainbow going on that does it automatically, cycles through colors in both sides. As you see, and even under the volume knob, the colors change themselves. And if you click it again, now it is on the solid light. Click it again, you turn off. And let's go here. Now this one, this mode right here that I just clicked is the one that goes with the music. So it changes and goes up and down according to music itself. Let me play it. I don't know if the camera is catching it good. Looks really beautiful. They turn off the studio lights so you see it better. Wow, those lights are really good. This is really cool. I am impressed. I actually am impressed. I gotta say, when a product is good, I gotta say is good. If I saw anything wrong with it, I would say is wrong. And you should better know that. This one, I would say it is on the good side because it really sounds crisp and it has a very smooth, nice bass. That is what I look from a speaker. And especially with the price of this one, well, it's worth it all day long, in my opinion and in my books. And of course, we have to now test it in the auxiliary mode. And let's switch it really quick. Aux mode. Okay, so let's get the 3.5mm jack. Because of course, my other phone does not have a jack. Of course, more expensive with less features. That's the theme. And let's play the same exact track. It sounds absolutely amazing, I gotta say. And the lights work the same, whether you have it on auxiliary, which is with a jack, or Bluetooth. So that is great. And looks like it works amazing on just regular power banks. So you don't need a lot to make it work, and it works really good. As you hear it. And that is absolutely astonishing to me. How is it possible to get this kind of sound for that kind of price? Really, technology has gotten cheaper, eh? I gotta say. Because for a speaker like that, a few years ago, you would have paid much more. Now, it is on the price that you will see. And down below, yes, I will leave a link on description for it. And please go ahead, click it. And if you like it or not, you can leave your reviews on Amazon too. Just let them know how you like it or how you don't like it. That is completely up to you. That link will be affiliate link, but that affiliate is not between me and SOULION. that is between me and Amazon. So that means I make a small commission at no extra cost to you. So that is it for this video. I really enjoyed this one. It's a really beautiful speaker, and for the price, I could easily suggest it. I see it actually working really good. And it's not the smallest, but it's not the biggest either. It's kind of that sweet medium. And please hit like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Bye!